What's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? I'm so excited today because today is the day we are talking about AAS token. AAS token. Look what I'm touching. You can see the AAS investment platform here. This is their token, their newly launched token. So I'm going to start right now by buying this token right now because the token is live right now. Like I told you guys before that I'm going to invest $1,000 with this token. Some people think that I'm lying, so I'm going to prove everybody wrong by investing $1,000 in this token. So let's go to that website, okay, for me to show you everything step by step. You can start investing right now. You can start buying the pre-sale right now because the pre-sale is starting with 0.15 USDT, okay, 0.15. So you can start. This is the right time to buy this token, okay. So guys, if you want to register and fund your account or buy the pre-sale, what you are going to do is to rush right now, okay, rush right now so that you can start your journey to wealth, okay, journey to make wealth. Use the link in the description to start right now. So let's go to the website. So guys, you are now in AAS token, okay. So what I'm about to do right now is once you log in after signing up, okay, after signing up, the next thing is to log in, okay. So when if you use the link in the description, it's going to get you to your sign up, okay, if you haven't done that. So when you sign up, register and start investing, okay, start investing. So I click on this tray line here. So when I click on the tray line, the next thing to do is to click on this token, okay, this buy token. So once I click on buy token, you can see that the price, okay, the rate is 0.15, like I said earlier, okay. This is the minimum buying is $20 and the maximum is $25,000, okay. So I'm going to click here, or I'm going to enter the amount that I want to buy. Like I'm going to buy 1,000 worth of this token. So I enter 1,000. So you can see that I'm going to get 6,666.6667, okay. So I'm going to click on the method, okay. I'm making use of USDT TRC20. Remember that if you want to use your investment, okay, the investments, you can use this AAS wallet, okay, but I'm not going to use my investment there because I also invested in AAS, okay. So I'm going to click on this USDT. So after clicking on that USDT, I'm going to click on buy token. So I wait. So you can see once I click on this, you can see this is how it will look like. You can see it here. So I'm going to copy the link, okay. So when I copy the link, the next thing to do now is to go and pay this amount. The amount is 1,000. Then the charges is 0.65, okay. So the amount I'm going to send here in total is 1,006.5 USDT. So I'm going right now to do that. So here I am in my address, okay. So I'm going to come to this place, okay. You can see wallet where I'm touching. So once I come to wallet, I'm going to click on this spot, and once I click on spot, I'm going to click on USDT. And when I click on USDT, the next thing is to click on this withdrawal. And when I click on withdrawal, I'm going to send via crypto network by clicking on this. So when I click on that, the next thing to do is to enter the address that we just generated from that our AAS token. So I paste it here, and after pasting it here, I'm going to enter the network address. So this is TRC20. So once I enter that TRC20, I'm going to enter 1,000. I'm going to enter 1,000 1.65, right. So this is the amount I'm going to enter right now. You can see that's this is how it's supposed to look like, okay. So like if I click back to check, well, okay, this is 65, okay. So I click on withdraw right now, okay. So when I click on withdraw, you can see that the amount that I'm sending is 8,065. Confirm here. So the next thing to do right now is to click on this and confirm using my fingerprint. So you can see that I have withdrawn this 1,000.65. okay, that's 1,001.65 because $1 is going direct. Okay, $1 is going direct to Binance gas fee. Okay, then the remaining 65 is going to the gas fee of this token. Okay, then the 1,000 is going to my wallet address in my AAS token. So I'm going to click on this view history. So you can see that I'm going to refresh this. Has been completed. You can see it here, completed. That's a 1,000.65. okay, so let me go to our AAS token to know whether these have confirmed. So guys, you can see that your payment of 9, you can see that your payment, okay, because instead of I made mistake. Okay, instead of sending 1,006.5, okay, I mistakenly sent a 1,001.65. okay, you see the mistake. So but I have received 994.15. okay, they have deducted it already, so no problem. You can see that I have done the transaction. So we are now going back. Okay. So I'm going to click on this transaction here. So once I click on transaction, you can see that I have, this is it, this is it, this is it. This is to tell you that I have purchased this token. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Rush now and do your own. Rush now and purchase yours. Okay, rush now and purchase yours. I have gotten 6,666.6667. You can see it here. This is to tell you that whatever that I tell you that I'm going to do it. Okay, you can see everything here. So guys, I have changed my mind. I want to buy extra 20 USDT worth of this token. Okay, like it will make it 1,020 USDT. okay, 1,020 USDT. I'm going to buy extra 20 USDT right now. Okay, so that we can make more money. Okay, so once I click on this place here, you can see that I have copied this address. Okay, I have copied this address. So what I'm going to do right now is to enter this $20. That's the total amount that I'm going to pay here, 20.13. okay, so I'm going to my exchange right now. So I'm going to paste that address here. So when I paste the address, I'm going to select TRC20. okay, that's the address. Okay, so here I'm going to enter the minimum. Okay, the minimum that I'm going to buy is so $1 is for gas fee. That's a 21.13. That's the amount that I'm going to enter here. So here I'm going to click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, I'm going to cross check it to know whether it's aligned with what I'm doing. So you can see that I'm going to get 20.13. okay, that's the amount that I'm going to get. So what I'm going to do right now, you can cross check it and see that it's corresponded. So I click on pay. Remember that I have bought $1,000 worth of it and I'm buying extra $20 worth of it again. Okay, so because I want to get this token as many as I can. Okay, as many as I can, because I know what I'm doing. Okay, I know what I'm doing. So I put my fingerprint to buy this. Okay, you can see that I have purchased this. This is 21.13. so I'm going to screenshot this. So I have done that. So the next thing is to click on view. It's still processing. This has been completed. That's 20.13, and this one is $1,000 worth of it that I bought before this new one. Okay, I'm just buying $1,000 plus $20. Okay, this is to tell you how serious it is for me. Okay, that's to tell you how serious it is for me. So guys, you can purchase yours. You can get this token. You can get this token. Try and get this token. Try and do what? Get this token. It's very important you get this token. I know what I'm saying. Okay, I know what I'm saying. Try and get it. Try and get this token. So guys, you can see that 20 USDT have been confirmed also. Okay, this is to tell you that what we are doing here, I mean it. Okay, whatever that we are doing here, I always mean it. You can see this is a 20 USDT. So I click on OK. So I'm going to come to this three line here. So once I click on that, I'm going to click on this transaction. So you can see that this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one, the one that I bought worth 1,000 worth of. Okay, and this one is the second one, the one that I bought $20 worth of it. Okay, that's 133. You can see it here, and this one is 6,666. Okay, this is to show you that whatever that I say that I will do, I'm going to do that. You can see that this is success, and this one is success also, and the total AAS acquired is 6,800. Okay, 6,800. Some people don't know how much we are making here. You think that we are joking. We are not joking here. And the total USDT transaction is a 1,014. Okay, with the other one, you know that they deduct it from this one. Okay, the gas fee, they deduct it from this money. That's what make it this amount. So guys, I'm going to drop it here. I want you guys to start buying right now. This is phase one, and a lot of people are going to make money here. Believe me, a lot of people are going to make money. See you guys at the top. Make sure that you join our social medias where we teach the practical way on how to make money. Bye bye for now.